All right, our goal is to use the properties of logarithms to expand this expression. So we have log base 4 of y to the second power times z to the fifth power. I've listed out the properties of logarithms to the right-hand side. We have the product rule, the quotient rule, and the power rule. On this one, since we don't have a fraction, we're not going to be utilizing the quotient rule. Instead, the first thing I notice is we have two things that are multiplied together. And from the very beginning, we're not allowed to move the exponents down in front using the power rule. The power rule says that the exponent has to be attached to everything on the inside of that logarithm in order for it to be able to be moved down. So like the 5 is only attached to the z, the 2 is only attached to the y. It's not, neither one of those exponents is attached to everything on the inside of the logarithm. So you can't move those down yet. Instead, what we want to do is we're going to use the product rule, which says when you have two things multiplied together on the inside of the logarithm, each one of those is going to get its own logarithm, and they're going to be separated by addition signs. All right, so log base 4 of y squared plus log base 4 of z to the fifth power. It's at this point that you should notice that we have the 2's attached to everything on the inside. So we're going to be able to utilize this exponent rule, the power rule, to move that down in front. So exponent comes down in front. This 2 is going to be allowed to come down in front. The 5 is going to be allowed to come down in front. So at this point, we have 2 multiplied by log base 4 of y plus 5 multiplied by log base 4 of z. Pretty simplified what's on the inside of these logarithms. So we're not going to be able to expand this out any further. Hope this video helps. Good luck to you on it.